Audacity is an audio editing software. It can be downloaded for free from audacityteam.org. It's easy to use, as you'll soon see from this tutorial. You can just record yourself or your friends. You can use it to change the way music sounds, or use it just for fun. This tutorial will demonstrate some basic tasks to familiarize you with Audacity. Today we will learn where to find the user interface, how to import a sound file, how to record a voice file, and how to add effects to sound. We will also learn how to save and export a sound file. When you open Audacity, you will be presented with this user interface across the top and bottom of the screen. Today, we'll be using a few of these commands. To get started, let's import a sound file to work with.
Go to the top left of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Then scroll to Import. On the right side, you will then click Audio. That will open Audacity's File Explorer. Click on Libraries and navigate to the folder of your desired file. For us, it's Libraries, then the Music folder. Then choose the sound file you want to import. Either double-click it or left-click it once and select Open. A window will appear to show you that it's importing. Now, you will see a screen with the audio represented as a waveform. This is basically a graph of time and sound waves. This shows two wave tracks because it's in stereo. To record your voice, all you need is a built-in enabled microphone or one attached to your computer. If you have that, all you have to do is click the record button, and when you're done recording, press the stop button.
Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you.
To change the pitch of the sound, go to the top of the screen and click on Effect. Then from the drop-down menu, select Change Pitch. Then in the dialog box, you can change the pitch from C to G, making it higher. To apply this change, click OK.
Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you.
To add reverb to the sound, go to the Effect menu. Scroll down to Reverb and click it. In the dialog box, it's possible to adjust various reverb settings, but we'll use the defaults. Click OK to add the reverb. Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you. To export your sound file, go to File. And from the drop-down menu, click Export. On the right will be all of the options for various sound file types. We're going to export as an MP3. A File Explorer window will open, and you can save the file in your desired folder. We will save it in its original folder. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you will enjoy using Audacity now that you know the basics of importing sound files and adding effects.